Hi, I'm Tammy Mulhern. I'm a program specialist here at Knock Knock Children's Museum, and this is my son Cole.
Hi.
And we're going to show you how to make a kite.
Yeah.
So first you'll need to gather your supplies. First you need your piece of paper.
First you need your piece of paper.
And we'll fold it in half, like a hamburger.
What next?
Mark 1 inch from the top left corner. Mark 1 inch from the bottom right corner, and then we'll fold it from that line to that line.
We'll fold it from that line to that line.
Flip it.
Hip it.
And we'll fold it along the same line. Now we'll open this side back up.
Now we'll open this guy up.
And flip it.
And zip it.
Now put tape along this seam, right that way. Make your spine stand up. The back of the kite should stand straight up. And we're going to punch a hole.
Where?
About a third of the way from the top, about half an inch down.
Mark it, please.
Right there. We're going to put the skewer on this side. The skewer should reach from that point to that point, and we're going to cut it.
And we're going to
Let's measure our skewer.
Ouchie.
Yep, the end is a little pointy. Hold it right there, Cole.
Hold it right there.
So you place your skewer across the edge, the points, and tape that down. And you put a piece of tape right in the middle.
String.
We're going to put a piece of string through the hole that you punched.
Yeah.
Can you put it through?
And I'm gonna.
Can you put that piece of string through the hole you punched?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to tie it. And then our last step will be the tail. Alright, flip your kite over, Cole. And we're going to tape your ribbon to the very bottom of your kite.
Why are we going to do ribbon?
When you tape a piece of ribbon to the bottom of your kite, it'll help the bottom of the kite stay down and weighted so that it'll fly right. So, please decorate your kite after you've made it and take a picture of it. Then upload your kite to Facebook and Instagram, hashtag Knock Knock Summer of Love, and tag Knock Knock as well. Thank you.